Hey, lovely viewer, welcome to the channel, and this is another detox for you. Yes, this is from lettuce and cucumber. Yes, I'm sure you didn't know you can do something else apart from salads with your lettuce. Yes, you can do juices with your lettuce, and I did this in two forms. One was just the cucumber and lettuce, and one was with the cucumber, lettuce, and then beetroot, which is very good for people who are having issues with their blood and they want to manage or control it. So lettuce is very, very good. It's a good natural green. And the benefits of lettuce, oh my God. If I start talking about it, we ain't gonna end. But for now, we need to wash them up. And so I do the salt bath. And like I always say, you can wash this with any fruit or vegetable cleanser you have. You can also wash it with your apple cider vinegar or any vinegar you have. Now, usually it comes plucked out. So you need to cut off the root and then you want to take it off one by one from the full bunch of it. Yes, you want to take it one by one. You can wash the inner part most especially under running water because usually you may get a bit of sand in there. And so I don't end up spoiling your salt water bath or draining it off and redoing it again. It's always good to wash it under running water. And as you're taking it off the main cup, you're also making sure that the very bad ones, the discolored ones, the dotted ones, you're taking them out as well because those ones you don't need it in your system. And so once I'm done with it and washing it in the salt water, then I proceed to putting them in the blender. To make it easy to blend, I just use my hand to kind of tear or break it apart. Yes, that makes it also less chunky in there. You can try to use a knife to cut it. It's all up to you as well. And for the first one I did was pure greens, which was just the lettuce and then the cucumber. And cucumber has a lot of water, and cucumber is great for detox. Cucumber is good for weight management. And so this too is super duper when it comes to detox. And you can drink this in the morning, you can drink it in the evening. I'm sure a lot of us just see lettuce as just for salad, but lettuce goes beyond salad. You can use it for your smoothies, for your shakes, for your drinks, for your detox, for your oh my god, it just goes on and on. And so I'm going to blend this together, and you're going to get that green in there because cucumber has thick green. You can try to also just blend the lettuce juice just like that and drink. Yes, that also works. You may get that light green kind of feel if you do only the lettuce. You can try to also juice in a bit of lemon, which is also to your preference as well. So once you're done, just pass it through a fine strainer so you can enjoy drinking it. If you leave it with the fiber in, it becomes a bit hard to drink, except for people who are new to it. So the second part, which I introduced the beetroot to it, you can do this with also replacement of carrot or vegetables of your preference. But beetroot, carrot, any of them kind of works in there as well. But the beetroot is especially good for people who are trying to manage their BP and those kind of issues. And so I have the lettuce which I've washed. I've got the other vegetables which I also washed. I'm going to cut the cucumber, cut the beets, and then cut the star apple. Then they all go into my blender. Yes, beet has a lot of color, and so once you've done cutting, it's all going to be bloody, red all over. That's how beet naturally is. If you're not a fan of beet, but you want to try this lettuce detox, you can use carrot instead. And when it comes to my star fruit, usually I like to cut it into two to be sure there's no worm and everything is intact before I cut it together. Then I am ready to go into my blender and then dump everything in, add some water, and then blend. Because there's beetroot in, it's going to look very red once I'm done. If you use carrots and your carrots are tasty and colored, you're going to get that orange feel in there. So depending on what is going in and the color you are going to get, you need to use enough water because this is also supposed to rehydrate your body. And so once you're done blending, which doesn't take long, you then have to fine sieve it. Yes, you'd have to sieve it for you to be able to get that smooth texture. and there as well. So yes, this may look bloody, but this is very healthy. So this is bloody healthy. Yes, bloody healthy. So yes, once you're done blending it, you then want to sieve it to make it easy to drink. If you don't sieve it, you're fresh to it or you're new to it, you're really going to struggle drinking this. And when you're done, the fiber, you don't really need to throw it away. You can put it into your stews and you can go your way. So it kind of works in there as well. Except for those who are trying to check their weight or manage their BPs and stuff. When you're done, don't throw the fiber away. This is vegetable blend, and you can use this in your stews, in your soups, in your sauces as well. And this is super healthy for the morning, and it's great for before you sleep, so that when you wake up, your body is also well cleansed as well. So I hope you did enjoy this video and you learned a lot on it as well. Do leave your comments in the comment section. Do make sure you subscribe, you like and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, don't forget to live life to the fullest. Be joyous, be merry. Lots of love for my team and I.